In this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So let's jump straight into it. Now, before we continue, I just want to make a quick note that this is not currently available everywhere. So as you can see on the official WhatsApp Help Center site, it says that WhatsApp channels has begun rolling out but isn't available to everyone yet. Join the waitlist to be notified when WhatsApp channels is available to you. Where channels is available, we're rolling out new features gradually. Some features like being able to create a channel might not be available to you yet. So go ahead and follow along this guide, but if you don't see the option to create a channel, do not worry, it will be rolled out eventually, but of course WhatsApp is still in the process of rolling the feature out. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is first of all open WhatsApp, and on your device you're going to want to come to the tab at the top and click onto updates. From updates, you will see the channel section. Now next to channels, you've got this plus button. So what you want to do is click onto the plus button and you should see the option to create channel. As mentioned previously, this might not be available to you yet. You might just have the option to find channel. So if that's the case, just hang tight and eventually you'll have this option to create a channel. So once you've gone ahead and selected the option to create a channel, it's going to basically give you a summary of what's going to happen. All you want to do is press the continue button and then go ahead and put your channel name and a short description for your channel. You can also add a channel icon if you want to, and then go ahead and press the green create channel button, and that's it, your channel will be live. So that's how to go ahead and create a WhatsApp channel. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.